How to limit Google Form responses to one per person. If you want to stop people from submitting multiple responses in your Google Form, this video will show you how to enable the one response limit feature. First, open your Google Form and make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Now, click on the Settings option at the top of the form. Under the Responses section, find the option Limit to One Response and turn it on. When this option is enabled, users will need to sign in with their Google account and they can submit the form only one time. You can also enable the Collect Email Addresses option if you want to track who submitted the response. After making the changes, your Google form will now allow only one response per person. That's how you can limit Google Form responses to one per person and prevent duplicate submissions. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.